for a fridge, bruh? Let me see it again. You got interior pics?
View additional images. Okay.
Yeah, bro. Let me see that shelving unit.
Okay.
You got an ice maker?
Oh, Lord. Wow. Yeah, nigga. That's...
You could fit a person in there.
That's real.
You take all them shelves out, you can fit a person in there.
Oh, yeah, that's like a...
You look like a gun rack.
That's a big deal. Nigga, I ain't never no brand scarf had it like that. I used to ride past them and shit.
It looked like that's where Blade keep the serum.
Yeah, that shit's nuts. They
Either way.
They got another one they got a refurbished monogram.
Oh, how much is it? 900?
Counter depth French door refrigerator.
900?
It's 43.
Oh, shit.
That's for the refurbished John. And that's a nice one. Look at that on the refurbished tip. That's a nice one. Freeze it out the bottom.
Yo, that's so much shit, yo.
Niggas living in excess. But I could have went and got the Hisense. Kind of similar. For $900. $996.
What's
a
the
Band-Aid.
What's the dimensions?
A Band-Aid. It's 28 inches, but that's a Band-Aid.
Keep it clean, though.
Feet.
Keep it clean.
25.4 cubic feet. That's a Band-Aid. You put it with the dual ice maker, water dispenser.
Not the dual ice maker.
The dual
Turbo,
ice maker,
turbo twin charge.
Dispenser. Yeah,
Twin charge ice maker, nigga.
Like, that's a Band-Aid. Nigga spent $1,600.
Yeah, man.
I could have went and bought him that and walked off with $600. Do that shit 2-3 times a week. That's a good motherfucking living.
For the culture. Brief intermission. We'll be right back.
That's crazy. So Pesci was kicking that shit.
Yes, sir.
Talking that shit.
Shout out to real niggas trying to get it for the culture in any way possible.
Blow up when you turn the key.